My name is Seni Oshibanjo. Uh, I'm an online entrepreneur, a web and mobile app developer, forex trainer, and a whole host of other things. So, here to talk about Joseph Dunn. I was on the Facebook streets minding my business when I saw his ad where he was directing people to his WhatsApp. He wasn't selling anything on the ad, he was just saying they should join his WhatsApp where he puts business strategies on his status for free. And I said, well, there's nothing to lose. So I joined it, and then on a status, I got value even on a status for free. And then there was the ad for the 100K sales challenge, which I was skeptical joining because I've done several courses and like, what is there to learn again? But the way the advert keeps coming on his status and the hype around it, I was like, well, let me just do it. Let me just do it, for doing sake. Like, at least there should be one or two things I would learn. And I reached out to him and he closed me. Let me put it like that. I didn't really want to do the challenge, but he sure closed me. I paid, and the classes started. And did it deliver? Yes, he really did. I was blown away. I got more than what I bargained for. And so far, so good after the sales challenge. It's not really about the challenge per se, but what you would learn. It's the main thing. Because what you've learned now, even though the challenge is over or what, you can always reapply and reapply. So it's like a lifetime challenge to me. And it's an awesome experience. And would I recommend Joseph Dunn or any of his courses to people? Absolutely yes. You can't lose money. Whatever he's selling, regardless of the price tag, I would always recommend that you can just sign up with him. He delivers, he over delivers, in fact. Thank you very much.